guys, welcome back to another Minecraft video. Today, as you can see, I'm in 1.12, but today I'm going to be talking about 1.13 updates, specifically command blocks. For example, over here we can see that data and MBT, but data is in like wool 14, wool 13, etc. That's all being removed. We'll talk about it later on. So for example, here's give IP diamond 10 and put the tag inch equals ID 16 as sharpness level 32,767. However, when I type that in, it's going to say 1.13 at least. I'm going to use cut here to demonstrate what happened. Invalid command syntax. I'll talk about why that is later on. Alright, yeah, and all these other commands are also having it removed. For example, scoreboard, it's having it removed, so I'm going to just do a random thing like this. Hi, 0. I'll just go put my inventory tag in there, why not? Yeah, alright, and then if I press enter here, invalid command syntax, it's not gonna work, no. Alright, next, so in 1.13 you must use a full string and they must be all lowercase usually. So for example, game mode C, game mode S, game mode 1, game mode 0, that's not gonna work. You see, there's no such thing as game mode S. But, so now you have to type in the full thing, and then it'll work. Yeah, so I'm gonna go back to creative mode for now. Alright, and then, yeah, that's right, done. So what I mean by case sensitive, before you could type in things like this, OBJ, capital E, C, capital T, I, V, E, S, and it would be okay, it would work, but it would not work now. You can see invalid command syntax, so now you have to use all lowercase objectives, and then I'll show you how to use it. So also the effect commands can change. You can't do /effect.p clear anymore, it doesn't work anymore, it's invalid. Instead you have to do effect clear username, or give if you want to give yourself effects. You can't just affect yourself effects anymore. So effect clear at P, and oh, take the effect away from me. You can see, and same thing, effect give. That's how you get effects. You can't use effect at P, resistance, blah blah blah, for example. Can't do that anymore. Sorry. Oh my gosh, this lightning. Okay, I guess I'll tell you about the toggle downfall being removed, I guess. Here, where's the sign? Ah, here it is. So there's no more toggle downfall, it's just a really annoying command. So, yeah, it's been removed in 1.13. Instead, you have to just use weather. So there's weather clear number. Okay, there we go. So now there's no more weather, and we're good to go. Alright, so talk about the execute command. This is one of the biggest changes ever. It's going to break every single map 100%. You can see now we have these subcommands: as, at, offset, if, unless, and store. And then, of course. So as just executes at. So as you can see, that command does no longer work. You have to use as or at, which means at will execute it at the player, at his position. And as will execute as the player, but won't change the position of the command being run. So, yeah. And if just isn't like if, so if you can, that replaces kind of detect. So you can use if block XYZ grass, for example. That would be one. Then if entity and then you use the entity selector to find the entities. After that, you can use the then command to run a command after that, but we're not going to need to use that right now. Store just replaces slash stats, we'll see that later. So here, execute as A, so we're executing as every single player, but at my current position because I'm executing at over here. So now we're going to do if, so executing as everybody, and it's only going to run the command if there's an entity, if entity or block. I'm just going to use entity for this case. If entity, flag. Hold on, entity at A, name equals the usaf as me, so it's going to work this time. And then unless means, yeah, it means the opposite of if, so anyways, stats is a command I've never really used that much, but now being added to the execute command is store. It basically stores data in the square part, so it's, yeah. So we're just going to show you what it would look like. So like this, execute store, result or success. Success is the amount of times to succeed, and result is the amount of entities that are affected. Test is a name that we're going to put it under, and then finally we need the objective. For example, I'm just going to put like random objective for this case because we're just showing you what it would look like. So it stores it and stores the value from the result in the objective as the player test. That's basically what it is. And also the /experience /xp command has changed, and now you have to use these commands to get your experience stats and stuff. So instead of /xp amount player, that's not going to work anymore. Because xp add or set to get yourself experience. Query just returns the number of experience. So yeah. So yeah, I'll show you here XP add FP and 1000 levels. 1000 levels. Okay. So now it gives me 1000 levels. Great. Okay. Now there's no more custom game rules, so you can't do /game rule random stuff or whatever. Like /game rule no clip is no longer gonna work if you know what I mean. And also this is mainly because people were messing up typing in commands. They used to type things like this and that would not work. It would not affect the command block output game rule. So now they removed that, so you have to type it in exactly like that, and then you put the value. Test for blocks, and test for block are removed. It's kind of sad because I use test for quite often, and I even forget that they removed test for later on in the video. You'll see. Alright. Anyways, so next thing you know, this is how you get the items now. So you can see it in this way. Well, item NBT. It's not really any date. Well, I guess it's date, but it's for other things. For example, giving myself diamond sword, I have to put, I'm gonna put like 10, but I put bracket right next to it with the NBT instead of putting it at the end. This is kind of confusing for me, but I'll get used to it. And you can see, bam, diamond sword. Beautiful. Alright. And there's new one, well, new renamed actually. So M is removed. It's replaced with game mode. You can't use M equals something if you use game mode equals something. gamer equals creative, for example. And level, that basically replaces L, which was your level before, but now it's level. Limit's confusing, it's gonna confuse everyone. It was C. C is limit, okay, so that's what it is. And C also cannot be a negative number anymore. You can see it's invalid. Well, I mean. And radius is now, R is now a distance. Also, all your rotation stuff is now something rotation. You use a bunch of sorting stuff to it, and you can see they're allowing NBT and spaces in the selector, which is great. Well, you can put two tags as long as it makes sense. That's also very great. I love that. But you can't, of course, you can't be named A and B at the same time, so that's not going to work ever. And the sorting thing I was talking about is just allows you. So if C equals -1, you just put sort equals furthest. It's basically what it is. Equals -1 as long as you want to. C equals -1, 1.13. Sort equals furthest, and then that is C equals -1, basically. But and now we're talking about blocks and data. Currently, rule is 14, right? Red is rule 14. Well, setting the block there with rule 14, is not going to work. It's invalid because data is removed. There's no such thing as data, block data anymore. Instead, you have to use block states. So, like for example, I'm just going to guess red rule, color goes red. So there you go. That's how you get that. So that's pretty much it for now. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more videos like this. And see y'all next time.